Hello everybody, it's Suzanne here again, and I know it's been a while, but guess what? I've got the Allure box for April. Let's open it up together. So, let's take my little handy dandy scissors and cut this open. Ooh. Hello. We've got the brochure again, and you're going to want to see this. We're giving you an exclusive sneak peek of all of your favorite brands coming up in May. Oh, so I've got to scratch this. Okay, we'll do that later. And got another little bag. So, is this one broken? Yes, it is. It's broken right here. That's too bad. All right, here we go. Let's open this clear bag and empty this out. I'll throw this out too. All right, so what did we get today? All right, we've got from Phenomenal up to 10 days from one application. It's a Vita Liberata Advanced Organics. I guess it's Vita Liberata. Phenomenal. Okay, so this is an advanced organics, up to 10 days from one application, organic tan infused cloths. Oh, so it's a self-tanner. Okay, great. I hope it doesn't smell as bad as all the others. We will see. All right, the next thing I have is, okay, ooh, from Anastasia, the brow people. They're doing a liquid lipstick. We got a liquid lipstick today, and it is Pure Hollywood. Ooh, love that name. Love that name. Ooh, and it's gorgeous. Look at this. This is a nude. Oh, I love this. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. Cut that, throw out the box. Then I have another tube here. That's from Briogeo. Okay. Farewell Frizz. Blow Dry Perfection Heat Protectant Cream. Oh, I need this. Thank you very much. I'll be using that. Let's see. It's got this little thing on it. All right. It's a very light looking cream. Look. Smells good. Okay, well, let's put it in the hair. Yeah. Okay, well, we'll see how that works. And then there is a Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Eye Gel Liner in deep purple. Oh, lovely. Let's put this right here. Oh, and purple is one of my favorite colors. Great. Thank you, Laura Geller and Allure. Whoops. Allure Beauty Box people. Then, finally but not lastly, I've got a brush with this eyeshadow. So the brush is from Luxie. It's 231 small tapered blending brush. All right, great. And then from Natasha Denona eyeshadow. Does it say what color it is? Yes, it does. 124K Bronzage is what it's called. Right. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, lovely, lovely goldish color. Oh, very nice. Can you see? Maybe I put it in the wrong area. Let's put it somewhere else. Beautiful. Well, I can't wait to use all these products. Thank you, Allure Beauty Box. And until next time, this was Suzanne. Love to you all.